Hey guys, this is Fun with Brittany. Thanks so much for watching my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you the Babylist free mommy box that I got. And if you want to see how I got all of these boxes and what I had to do, please see my other video. You can find it in the description box below, where I basically tell you whether or not you had to pay for shipping, if they had a minimum spend from your baby registry before you were eligible for the box, as well as how many items needed to be on your registry to actually get the free baby boxes. So the reason I have two boxes here is because for Babylist, you do have to spend $35 from your registry. I was okay with that because there was a couple things from the site that looked super cute. I'm happy to have them. And so I will go ahead and open up that box first so you can see what I bought for $35 to get the baby box. If you haven't yet, please click the bell to be notified when I make new videos. So first, I'm gonna open up the box of the stuff that I had to buy to get the baby box. And if you guys don't know, Babylist is just a website where you can combine all your registries into one. So I was able to put my Amazon registry on there as well as some of my other ones too. So that was really nice. You can even include items from sites like Etsy and stuff like that. Ooh, this is nice. So I got myself cooling pad liners from Freedom Mom. These are basically for postpartum, so I figured I need this anyway. So that worked out. And then this is the Not Too Cold to Hold teether, and this is also by Frida Baby, and it's basically a little thing for the baby to hold on to, and it has the teething, the frozen teething blocks right on the inside, and you can take them kind of in and out. It comes with two little ice packs to put back in there. Aww. So these are the Gumi little mittens and boots. And I like these because they have Velcro on them so that they won't be like coming off of the baby. Anything that I got for the baby has either Velcro or something that you can tighten so that they're not going to be getting lost everywhere. So yeah, I thought those would be easy to buy and good to have anyway. That was the $35 that I had to spend to get this free baby box. So now I'm going to open up the baby box. We'll see what's in there. This has a lot of stuff in it. This is an offer from Shutterfly for 10 free birth announcements. Oh, cute. Okay. So Shutterfly is a good site to do that with. They gave me a sample of Palmer's stretch mark lotion. I'm happy to have all these sample sizes. I can just throw them right into the diaper bag. Little samples are honestly really expensive to buy anyway. It looks like they gave me a sample and a coupon, a save $1.50 coupon on Gripe Water. And I guess this is for when the baby is fussy or has colic or hiccups. I know a lot of moms that don't like to use that just because it's, you know, it's not good to just like give the baby something for your convenience. But yeah, I mean, that'll at least give me a chance to try it once. That's why I love these sample boxes, because I really want to try things before I buy them. I'm a new mom, so I don't know what's going to work and what might not. Oh, cute. This is a little sample size of Destin. I know that works. And then they gave me a Vino baby sensitive all over wipes, and there's 10 of them. This is good for baby bag. And they gave me a sample also of 10 of the Honest wipes. Awesome. Okay. This is a Pampers Swaddlers sample. And then they also gave the Huggies Little Snugglers sample. And this is the Disney Baby, so it has Winnie the Pooh on it. These are super cute. Oh. And this is a little Soothe Teethy silicone pacifier for 3 months and older by Munchkin. It's adorable. So cute. Okay, they sent me an Enfamil Inspire Colostrum and Breast Milk formula. Oh, awesome. Okay, so this is like something that was on my list already. This is a Phillips Avent natural bottle. So this will be good to have. The Avent bottles are super popular with moms. I'm hoping they work as well for me, and then I can check it out, because what a lot of people do is they get these baby boxes to try out all the different bottles so that they don't end up with a bunch of bottles that the baby won't take. So I'm all about the free bottles. Oh, another pacifier. How cute. And this one is by Chico, and this is for 0 to 2 months. So they covered like the age range. That's super nice. It says supports baby's breathing, helps position tongue forward to maintain open airway. This is so cute. It's such a little pacifier. Okay, they gave me a sample of a Vino baby lotion. And then it looks like, oh my gosh, how cute. It is a $10 coupon when you spend $25 or more at Burt's Bees Baby. And it looks like it's just a little jumper, and it says Burt's Bees Baby on the front. How cute. And this is for ages 0 to 3 months. Aww. I love this. This is a good gift. And this is from Solly Baby. This is a coupon for $10 off $50 purchase. And it looks like Solly Baby is for a baby carrier. And then a 15% off Enfamil coupon. And this is called Noodle and Boo. Oh, and one of them is a hair and body wash and a little lotion. These are so cute. Oh, awesome. They gave me a $35 coupon for Yumi Baby. It has secret conditions that apply. We'll find out what those are. And then it looks like they sent me, oh my god. Okay, looks like they accidentally sent me probably about $25 off Shutterfly coupons. Very nice, thank you. I don't know if I'll use all 25, but maybe I'll use one of these. So I can honestly say this is one of the bigger boxes that I've opened. Let me know down in the comments below what you thought of the Babylist baby box. It was definitely a good deal. I'm super happy with it. They sent 2 pacifiers, a little outfit, 1 bottle, and 2 sets of wipes, 2 sets of diapers. So that's honestly a lot. That's perfect for my baby bag. I'm really happy with this box, and I think Babylist did a really good job with this. So go down in the comments below. Please like this video. Let me know what you thought. And thank you so much for watching my channel.